right. Beautiful. To our hard line, out of our filter. It's a new filter with AN ends, and it's rebuildable. You just have to undo, just pop out of the clamp, undo the lines real quick, and you could actually pull it apart, place the element. There are two braided lines. Everything's nice now. No more rubber. We got that situation under control. Scotty's gonna handle this little mess here. The wiring, he's gonna take and fix that, route it around, shorten it up, route it with the ground, and then have it wrapped and nice. So that will be complete. So we got that going for us as well. But there it is, all done. Took a little bit of time, need some work, but didn't take too long. And then tomorrow, I will work on the lines under the hood. I'm gonna quickly show the other feed line. And that's the filter, manufactured 4 of 20. No big deal. The funniest thing I saw though, is that's Gates Barricade fuel line. And this side is Continental. Come on, focus. There it is. Continental 3/8 fuel injection hose. So, between the return and this, we've had 3 different brands of line. Cute. Ain't got that problem no more, though.